Young Sir Lee, boy. Back at it again. Shit ain't no game. What? Boy. Swag. Presidential. Swag. What up to my base, niggas? Swag. We do it. Swag. Now I'ma give them what they asking for. Bitch, I wear hoodies under sweatshirts on top of hoodies, bitch. What you talking about? Yo. When I slide through the city, my bad bitch, pretty. My swag on me. What the fuck you mean? Boy, I get that green. You know my team. Bomb squad, we throw it up. Real quick, who on run? None of you scums. Don't fuck with us, We get it in. Bad bitches, bring your friends. We gonna turn it out. Show 'em what we all about. You probably find me in the South. But I be everywhere. Getting hella cake. Bitch, I'm everywhere. I'm doing everything. Cause, bitch, I don't really care. Young Sir Lee. What you know about me? Do my motherfucking thing. Cooking. Every time I'm on the scene. Swag. Fuck you know. Fuck you thought. If you don't know, you better go. Ask about me. You gonna get right happy like, damn, I didn't know dude. Now that I know dude, he's too cool. Too true. Too cool. A fool. That dude beat me. Young Sir fucking Lee. Don't twist it. Don't forget it. Guarantee I get with it. I get it, without a doubt. Get that shit up out your mouth. Get that shit up out your mind. Thinking I'm gonna go through fucking drought. What? I gotta win. Never do I lose. I gotta win. Charlie Sheen, bitch. I gotta win. What you talking about? What the fuck you mean? I don't really understand your talk if it ain't talking about that green. Talking about that dough. Talking about that money or pesos. If you ain't got it, then don't say halo. Better say bye-bye. You ain't on my level. See my benzo. All ice there. Not playing. My flow, so nice there. Do not care. Go so in. My thing is on rims. Black and chrome. High ride. Dark outside. Tent can't see inside. But I'm so fly. When I step out, they knowin' it's coming out. Stupid swag, all presidential hoe. Salute me, I get that dough. Make that bitch tuck her toes. Now that's pigeon toe. What you know? Get that dough. Stack that dough. Flip that dough. Get some more. That's how we rock. From here to every other block. Got a problem, then get at me. It ain't me, but my goose be trigger happy. I be just about to get on the mic. Get a bitch down tonight. Take the bitch down, alright. She gon' fuck this thing all night, yeah. That's how I rock. That's how I do. What's up, little mama? What's up with your crew? You see the squad will come on through. And we gon' do the things that grown-ups do. Got that Surat. Good dro. We on. Faux show. We get mo. Don't play. That's how we do it on Friday. Boy.